This tutorial is a companion to the Working with the Editor Introduction tutorial and focuses on editing in bulk the parent record of a set of selected records. Using the timeline described in the introduction tutorial, the editing of the parent record will be applied to two selected red-colored records from Group 2. Start by selecting two of the red-colored records. Then open the Editor window. Select Parent from the Attribute to Edit field. Then set the scope of the records to edit to selected records. The Data View section will then populate with the list of parent records of the two selected records, which in our example is the heading Record Group 2. With the parent attribute, the following editing operations are provided. To modify a parent relationship, select the parent record to modify from those listed in the Data View table, then click on the pen icon from the Operations sidebar. A window will open with a list of all parent records in the database. Select the new parent records, then click on the Select button. Let's change the parents of the two events to Group 1. Before we click on the Select button and make the parent change, note the two checkboxes. The first update level is to be checked as you want to modify the level value of the edited records to match the one of the new parent. The second filtered records is to be checked if you want to limit the list of parents in the drop-down field to only those currently satisfying the set of active filters. In a large timeline with a lot of parents, checking that box will reduce the number of parent records listed in the drop-down. Click on the Select button. The table view will show that the parent of the two records has changed to Group 1. To delete a parent relationship, select the parent record which relation is to be deleted from those listed in the Data View table, then click on the trash bin icon from the Operations sidebar. The records that are children of the select parent record will lose their child relationship to that parent and become standalone records with no parent. Note that this operation will not delete the parent record itself, but will simply remove the parent-child relationship. Let's delete the parent of the two records we just modified. The table view shows that those two records do not have a parent anymore.